Hi everyone, I just wanted to post a quick video about this bread. This is pumpkin bread that I made with a grain I've been using called Teff, which is a gluten-free grain made from an Ethiopian grass that is very high in protein, iron, and fiber. I've made a few chocolate desserts with it for people who have a gluten and rice allergy. And today was our first foray into a bread. This bread was made with Teff flour that I mixed with sorghum, potato starch, and tapioca starch. Fresh pumpkin puree prepared by my lovely neighbors. And a little bit of canola oil, a little bit of sugar, cinnamon, ginger, allspice, some aquafaba, which I've talked about in the past, is the juice that's left over after you've soaked chickpeas, flaxseed, chia seed, and then some baking powder and baking soda. So we actually just tasted it and it's absolutely delicious. It's definitely a healthier tasting. It's not a desserty kind of bread and it's still warm. And this is the brand of Teff that I use for several reasons. One is I know that at their production facilities they only produce Teff, so there's no exposure to any of the top allergens. And the other reason I really love it is because of the consistency. So this is brown Teff, and then there's also ivory Teff, but it's ground super fine, which makes it really easy to work with.